some mail from McPherson's. I got a new kit and just wanted to share her with you. So this kit is by Cassie Ann Love, formerly known as Cassie Brace. This baby is Edith. It's a limited edition kit. Mine is number 611 out of 935. And Cassie always does like some really nice little extra paperwork in there. I know it can be a little bit controversial to show the COA online. I personally prefer to have the COA number that I bought memorialized online. That way, if someone is attempting a scam on somebody using a fake COA with my COA number, they can search and possibly find my video and see that I'm the artist that bought that edition number and be able to get that kit's history from me and know if the kit that they're getting is actually authentic, if it's the one that I purchased or not. This is her body there. Cassie always sends a little extra with her kit. This time it is a cute little bottle. Let's take a look now at this kit. Oh, I love this face. What a cute, cute baby. Okay, Edith reminds me a little bit of Romilly. I love like Romilly had that super newborn look that Edith has as well. She'll be like absolutely perfect to paint as a just born baby. Her vinyl looks really good too. I like the color. I'm not seeing any sort of issues so far, fingers crossed. Just get all of these out here. So Edith has one open hand, one closed hand. She has a lot of creases, which I really like. It just adds a little bit more realism, I think. These are so cute. I really like her hands a lot. I think Edith is 18 and a half inches, I'm pretty sure. I'll have to double check. I'll put it on the screen. Here are Edith's legs. Again, same thing with her feet as with her hands. She has a lot of little creases. I love, love, love the separated big toe there. I know I say this all the time, but I wish more sculptors would do separated toes because I think they are so cute. She has a lot of creases on the bottoms of her feet. Nice, cute little toes and feet. They're adorable. I'm just looking like really carefully over her vinyl, and I don't see any like extra shiny spots, pinholes, nothing that is causing me any concern, which is absolutely amazing with the state of kits lately. I'm very happy to see one with no obvious issues, and I hope that you guys like Edith, and I can't wait to show you my version eventually.